Welcome to our tutorial on recording video with your Xiaomi C400 smart camera. Follow these steps to capture footage for security, monitoring pets or kids, or recording special moments. Step 1. Setup. Ensure your camera is powered up and seamlessly connected to your Wi-Fi network. You will know that the connection is established when the blue light is on. Step 2. The app. Open the My Home app on your smartphone and navigate to the Devices section to find and select your camera. Step 3. Start recording. In the live view, tap the video icon, represented by a small video camera, to start video recording. Step 4. Stop recording. Tap the video camera icon again to end the recording session when finished. Step 5. Quality settings. Tap on the screen and choose the video quality. Here, you may choose from 3 options. Auto. Automatically adjusts video quality based on network conditions. 480p. Smooth. Provides smoother playback and standard definition. 2.5K. HD. Provides footage with around 3,000 pixels horizontally for exceptionally detailed recordings. Step 6. Viewing your videos. Navigate to the playback section under the live view. Here, you can take a screenshot, record video, adjust playback speed, normal, 4 times faster, and 16 times faster. Enable or disable sound, view in full screen mode, and set motion and person detection. At the top section, you can switch between cloud and SD card playback. Tap on the SD card option to access your locally stored videos. Choose the one you need and save or delete it by tapping the relevant button. The download process will start, and then you will find the downloaded video in your device's gallery. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C400 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.